Hey guys, so I was going to show y'all something a little bit different this time. Something we strive for is our customer service here with Century. And one of the things that really helps with that, which may not seem like it, is that every vehicle that we get, we put a GPS unit in them, and they have a forward and rear facing camera. And the reason how this helps with our customer service is, one, it is making the driver be responsible because he is being filmed and he knows it. And it's also sending all the information to our office so we can see the speed that they're driving to make sure they're not speeding. We can also, with the forward facing camera, we can see if there are any issues with their whether it's harsh driving, braking, accelerating, anything like that. And if there's an accident, we do have some video footage, whether it will use for us or against us. It's there for proof, but it really helps with keeping the drivers accountable. This unit right here, which is kind of funny that it has the speedometer right here on it, which I didn't understand at first, but then I realized, hey, the passenger sitting in here can see the speed and call out the driver and be like, hey, you're going 2 miles too fast, slow it down, or whatever it may be. But one of the ways is we can monitor everything in the office, and what that does is we're able to make sure they're taking the most efficient route, which does lower fuel cost and labor cost on the time that they're driving around, which in return our prices won't increase because of them driving around and just having an inefficient route. And the other way this really helps is with our software. When they come to your property, they will actually clock in and they will start and stop the job whenever they are, whether depending on the service, when they start your service and then they finish it. And if there's any discrepancy with that, if you call the office and you didn't think they were there, or you're wondering what time, we can check that clock in, clock out time with the time that they were actually there on the GPS unit. So we have two ways to verify that they were there, and we can tell that they were actually there at your property with the GPS and the cameras. So this is a little thing to kind of add in there, which not, a lot of companies do it, but not all of them. It does cut down on a lot of irresponsible driving, and like I said, it's one way to kind of keep in check, and another thing that we add to all of our vehicles to make sure we're safe out there and we're able to let you know where they're at, if they were at your property or not. So if there are any questions about this, you can always let us know. And again, if you like a video more like this versus me talking about a weed or a dry spot or something like that, which I'm gonna do still because there's plenty of information on that, just actually like the video and I will know that this is something on the kind of the back end stuff that y'all like to see. So y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.